Ever been cruising along on your CVT scooter, enjoying the ride, and then bam! Suddenly, all power vanishes? The engine revs, but the wheel stubbornly refuses to budge. If this sounds familiar, you might have experienced the dreaded belt snap surprise. Let's dive into what this is all about. You're riding, everything's fine. The scooter is humming along, and then, a loud bang. Immediately, you lose all forward motion. The engine might still be running, revving up, but the rear wheel, it's completely disconnected. Time to investigate. The likely culprit? The drive belt. This unassuming rubber belt is the heart of your scooter's CVT, or continuously variable transmission, system. It's responsible for transferring the engine's power to the rear wheel, allowing you to move. Open up the CVT cover. It's usually on the left side of the scooter, just behind the engine. Inside, you'll likely find a scene of destruction. The once intact drive belt is now a shredded, snapped mess. Pieces of rubber might be scattered around. Well, there's your problem. As the saying goes, the drive belt connects the engine's crankshaft to the transmission, enabling variable gear ratios. As the engine's speed changes, the CVT system adjusts the belt's position on the pulleys, changing the gear ratio. This is what allows your scooter to accelerate smoothly and efficiently without the need for manual gear changes. The drive belt is made of a durable rubber compound, but it doesn't last forever. Over time, it's subjected to extreme heat, friction, and stress. These factors, combined with general wear and tear, eventually lead to belt failure. Several factors can cause a drive belt to snap prematurely. Age and mileage are big ones. The more you ride, the more wear and tear the belt endures. Regular inspections and maintenance, including checking the belt for cracks, fraying, or other signs of damage, can help prevent surprises. Improper CVT maintenance can also contribute to belt failure. Failing to replace worn rollers, or not keeping the CVT clean can cause issues. Belt quality matters too. Cheaper, lower quality belts may not withstand the stresses, as well as higher quality replacements. If you're unlucky enough to experience a belt snap surprise, the first step is to replace the belt. You'll need to remove the old, broken belt and install a new one. This often involves removing the CVT cover, disassembling some parts of the CVT system, and then installing the new belt according to the manufacturer's instructions. If you're not comfortable working on your scooter, it's best to take it to a qualified mechanic. They can diagnose the issue and replace the belt quickly and efficiently. After replacing the belt, it's a good idea to inspect the other components of the CVT system. Check the rollers, the pulleys, and the clutch for any signs of wear or damage. Replacing these parts, if necessary, will help ensure that your scooter runs smoothly and efficiently. Finally, prevention is key. Regular maintenance, including periodic CVT inspections and timely belt replacements, can help you avoid the belt snap surprise and keep your scooter running reliably. So, next time you're out riding, remember the importance of your drive belt. Take care of it, and it will take care of you, keeping you rolling smoothly down the road.